If your Premiere Pro is glitching or you have a plugin that's not loading, in this video I'm going to teach you how to hard reset your Premiere Pro and reset your preferences and plugin cache. Let's go. So right now we're inside of Premiere Pro. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is you want to quit Premiere Pro. So just close everything out, right? Then we're gonna go ahead and simply reopen Premiere. But before you do so, if you're on Mac, hold Option, and if you're on Windows, hold Alt. And then click and still hold Option or Alt. And you're gonna see it's gonna bring up this reset options, and it's going to ask, do you want to reset app preferences, clear media cache, reset plugin loading cache. Usually I like to just check the first three. Keep in mind, reset app preferences is going to remove all your keyboard shortcuts. So if you made your own custom keyboard shortcuts, I wouldn't recommend doing that, but you could also just do the bottom two. Then you're just going to hit continue, then simply reopen your project, and boom, just like that, your plugin should now work. Hopefully you found something useful. Now, if you want to try out this free AI plugin that automatically selects the highlight moments from your B-roll, you can check out this video linked right here.